Just holding your hand, to mommies and dads, to bodies and bags. It sure wasn't part of the plan. I was standing on the stage before I was coming of age. Now look where I am. I need a fire escape. Just take it to where I